Can I create multiple subtasks within a task? Of course, with Axdif, you can. Here's how to add subtasks to your project. Open the task that you will add subtask. Scroll down and click Add New Subtask. You can type your subtask details. Press Enter button. Select the priority of your tasks. Then, write your subtask as if needed. Isn't that incredible? Look at the branch icon on the task. It indicates your task has 2 subtasks. Connect, engage, experience with Axdif.